Video 6 Tips for Using the Water Maps Portal. The Kentucky Water Maps Portal is an interactive map tool available to the public, where you'll find information about streams, lakes, and rivers near your project site. In this video, we will go over how to use the portal to gather information about your project's potential impacts to nearby waters. While this database contains a lot of useful information, it's important to note that not all of the Commonwealth's waters have been mapped. If you believe there is a body of water that is not present on the Water Maps portal that could be impacted by your project, please contact the Kentucky Division of Water. To access the portal, go to watermaps.ky.gov. Then, navigate to the Water Quality Certification Viewer located toward the bottom of the page. Once you agree to the site's terms and conditions, you can enter your project location. Hit Enter and select Zoom to get a closer view of the area. It can also be helpful to change the map style by clicking the grid icon and selecting Imagery Hybrid. For the sake of this example, we're going to use this stream located to the east of the Energy and Environment Cabinet's building in Frankfort. Clicking on the stream itself will bring up a menu of information, including the name of the stream, Yatemans Branch. Now, let's determine whether any special use designation exists for Yatemans Branch, or if this stream has been assessed by Kentucky Division of Water. Close out of the menu and click the screening tool icon, which has a chart and a magnifying glass. Click Report to run a report. If a designated use exists, or if the water has been assessed by Kentucky Division of Water, the number listed on the right side of the menu will be greater than 0. Let's try a different example. We'll go back and select Coordinates from the options across the top of the menu. We'll enter the coordinates and we'll click the magnifying glass to zoom to the location. We're interested in this creek, which we can tell is called Rockhouse Creek. You may notice something here, that the creek is shown in red instead of blue. As someone applying for a water quality certification, this is something you'll want to pay attention to. Water shown in any color other than blue could be indicative of a lengthened project timeline and application review, because these streams do not comply with the conditions of general water quality certification. Let's confirm it by running a report, which can provide more detail about the water in your project area. Run a report just as you did in the first example. We can see here that it is aquatic life non-support water due to habitat impacts. For questions related to use of the Water Maps portal in permit application, contact the Kentucky Division of Water's Water Quality Certification Section staff at 401-WQC@ky.gov or by phone at 502-564-3410.